In this video, Brian will talk about bird flu.
Avian influenza, or bird flu, is an infectious virus that spreads among birds. It affects many species of birds, including chickens, ducks, turkeys and geese. It can be passed between commercial, wild and pet birds. However, not all bird species are affected in the same way. Bird flu is caused by a flu virus that is closely related to human flu viruses. It is spread through bird droppings, water, feed and equipment. There are 16 types of bird flu, but the type that has caused concern in recent years is the deadly H5N1 strain. H5N1 virus doesn't infect people easily, although several infections have occurred in humans around the world. The symptoms of avian flu in humans are similar to those of other types of flu. They include a sudden high temperature, dry, chesty cough, tiredness, chills, headache, muscle aches, joint pain, diarrhea or stomach upset, lack of energy, sore throat, runny or blocked nose, sneezing, loss of appetite, a general sense of feeling unwell. In many cases, bird flu can cause rapid deterioration, pneumonia, and multiple organ failure, all of which can be fatal.